up here and I'm back, and today I got the Xbox Daystrike, and this joint's fire. You got the whole box decked out, man. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this, talk about this, and alright guys, let's get it started. Stepping up, throw them threes for your boy. I got goals today, you got goals today, let's get it done. Hey.
Snake, what's up? Why are you naked? I know there's a naked option under uniform that lets you take off the upper part of your uniform, but without a shirt on, your camouflage sucks, and your stamina goes down faster. You don't get any advantages whatsoever.
Sure there are.
Like what?
It feels good.
Man, you do whatever you want.
I will, thanks. Just one question, though.
What?
Is there a way to take off my pants?
Say what?
My pants, can I?
Oh, hell no! This Fox unit is a nut fest!
Alright, Daystrike Camo for the Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, Windows 10, Android, and iOS. It includes the special edition wireless controller and 2 AA batteries. Gear up for action, bold red and black camo design, share button, capture and share content seamlessly, Xbox wireless and Bluetooth, easily pair and switch devices, texture, grip, and bumpers always stay on target. Alright, now time to unbox it. Yeah, alright, what y'all think? Yes, this looks nice, right? Next you got the AA batteries that come inside. You got the warranty and the quick guide book. Alright, so you want to take out the back, insert the batteries, turn it on. In the pair, you can pair it with the Xbox, PC, and mobile phone. And on top, to help pair it, you want to hold the top button for 3 seconds. And also, with your devices, you want to hold the sync button also for 3 seconds. And if you want a laptop, you go to the Bluetooth option and you pair it that way. Next one is all done, the Xbox will flash and it'll let you know that it's connected and you all straight. Alright, so what y'all think about the camo controller? Yeah, just feeling this controller, like the material just feels so different. And you can actually feel the patterns within the camo. You got the red analog inside, the D-pad, the Xbox button, your A, B, X, and Y, share button, option button, snapshot, you know, start select. On top is your pairing, and on the back is finally black. This is what we all wanted. Now on this controller, you can actually see the grooves for the sweat resistance on here. See these grooves? These grooves help for better grip, help with the sweat resistance. so get a better tight feel for it. And also on top, that's a nice resistance right there. Also, you see the Xbox logo, and you can connect it to the USB Type-C port. Also on the bottom, you got the USB port, and also you have the port for attachments. Looking at it, might not be like all that exciting. Like it's okay, but the material definitely makes up for it. It's all right, you know. All right, guys. So what do you guys think about the Camo controller? You know what I'm saying? It's a dope controller. I really wish you guys could feel it because it's not just standard, you know, material. It just really smooth. Like, I like it. And for you guys to be waiting for these videos, who be appreciating it, who be liking it. You enjoy my videos, you watching me, like, you know what I'm saying? You helping me out, helping you guys out. You know what I'm saying? Enjoying it, and I really appreciate you guys. All right, with that out of the way, let's go crazy. All right, so what are we calling this controller? I had a hard time thinking of this controller because it's camo. You know what I'm saying? So when I think of this, I'm thinking about Metal Gear Solid Snake.
Snake, what's that you're wearing now?
It's fire camouflage.
Call of Duty. Alright, so I googled some red camos. Why did these jumps come up? Who do we know who wore these, yo? Like, but alright guys, throw the pizza for your boy. This is Devin Up. I gotta go today. You gotta go today. And I'm out. Peace. Alright.